Alright, so today we're gonna be making some baked tilapia and shrimp, grilled shrimp, sauteed shrimp, and we're gonna make string beans. We're gonna make lemon, butter, cilantro, rice. Let's do this first. We all wash our hands.
Look what Nene gave.
Get in it. Look at Zoe. Look at Zoe with that bag bigger than her. Get in it. Jump in it. I'll carry you.
Oh, you daring me to ruin my brand new bag? No.
Alright, I'm gonna call you back, man.
No, let me tell you. So I got my backpack for school already, but if I'm not wearing my backpack, I'm gonna wear this and put all my school stuff in it. It feels like a reward.
Think you're popping, man.
Bro, you know I'm popping. You told me to get in the bag.
Alright, have a good day.
Okay, love you.
Love you too. That was Zoe. So let's wash our hands one more time. Alright, so this what we gonna do, man. We just gonna season this stuff up real quick. We're gonna hit that shrimp first. Gonna hit another little bit of that Old Bay. Hit one little bit of that Old Bay. This thing not coming out that good, but got that secret. Oh, can't tell you what that is. That's just a little bit of something. Okay, we hit him with that. Hit him with that garlic powder. Seasoning salt. Seasoning salt. Okay, a little bit of that. Hit him with that lemon pepper. Lemon pepper. Dang, I forgot to get the paprika. This is little minced onions. Okay, we just spice it up just a little bit with that slap yo slap yo just a little tiny bit of him. And then let me get this paprika. Okay, we have ground paprika. Just a little tiny bit, just to, okay. Now we get that. Now we put that lemon juice in there. We're gonna put a little bit of this and we're gonna squeeze fresh lemon in there. Put that in there. Now we slice this lemon real quick. Okay, squeeze that up in there. Fresh lemon up in there, yes. Cook it with the seeds and everything falling in it. Perfect. Okay. There we go. Let me mix that up. Okay, mix that up. Okay, now that's shrimp. Now, okay, that's him right there. That's that shrimp right there. Seasoned up real good, juicy and all that. Then we're gonna go on there, season this tilapia up. Now, we go with the same thing, go a little bit of that Old Bay. Dang, we gotta separate this real quick. So he could, whatever. Yeah, this ain't gonna work. Let me see something. Okay, there we go. Now we're gonna do it like that. Over that obey. There, a little bit of seasoning salt. You don't want too much seasoning salt on this. Taste that good. Garlicking. Gotta hit him with that lemon. Hit him with that lemon. A little bit of that slap yo. Okay, here's that. That's that minced onion. Alright, we'll be back in a second, man. Now we season everything, we'll be back in a second. Alright, so we done seasoning the thing. See that? That's how I do it, man. Season them shrimps up real nice. Yeah. Alright, so take a look at this fish, man. Take a look at this fish. So now we're gonna take the foil off, cook it a little bit longer. You feel me? And we're gonna start cooking this shrimp. Gonna get that lemon butter rice on the grill. Got this shrimp right here. Gonna get that on the stove, you know what I'm talking about? Cooking that shrimp. Got that rice. See that color of that water? That's not water, man. I'm gonna give y'all some game. That's chicken broth, man. That's how you do it. Cook that rice with chicken broth. Gas. Look at that. Look at that up in there. Oh my God. Alright, it's done. Got the biscuits, got honey on that thing. Come on, man. String beans. That's that special sauce for that rice. Shrimp. Anchovies. Lemon. Rice. We're gonna hit him right now with that special sauce. Right now. Look at that. Get up in there and mix that up. There we go. That's the special for that rice, boy.